So in this video, we're going to be looking at this shape, which is inward Maya in belly dance, with a slightly different variation. And it's also similar to a move called hula or hula in Ori Tahiti. It's not the same, but it's very similar. And we're going to combine it with a couple of other movements with the arms and really train the core. So this is belly dance strength training. Well, I've been doing my shoes for many, many years. And recently, a lot of people have been asking me, a lot of you guys have been asking me for, share the video, share some tips for share some exercises. So here you go. You need a resistance band, about 1.5 meters long, otherwise it's not long enough. Different colors are different straps. So, for example, blue is medium, black is quite heavy. I think there might be one even heavier than this, I'm not sure. That just means how strong the band is, so how much resistance you're going to get. So before we move on, let's just take a few squats without the band so you understand what we're going to do. I'm going to face sideways. Make sure you warm up first. Please come back and see me. I've got so many videos to choose from. There's no excuse to go and warm up. Okay, so legs are going to be a bit wider than your shoulders, or about shoulder distance apart. And from here, I'm going to press back. When I press back, I want my knees over my ankle and not my toes, okay? My tummy is engaged, my chest is lifted, shoulders down, my neck is long and free. There isn't any tension in my neck. Okay, so when we go down, we're going to hold this position. And this is where you're going to do most of your movements from. For the arms, for example, when we do our triceps, I want your arms hugging your ribs, and then you're going to extend the arms back, bringing them in, and extend, bring them over. The arms don't move, okay? Let's quickly go over the movement of the hip. So if you're a belly dancer, you can think of it as a wide leg Taqsim or a wide leg inward Maya. If you've been doing Ori Tahiti with me, it's similar. It's not the same, but it's similar to your hula or your hula step. So we're going to take the legs nice and wide, and first of all, we're just going to bend the right knee only. Bend and straighten, bend and straighten. The right hip drops lower than the left. Down, up. There's no weight on this leg, yeah? All my weight at the moment is on this leg. Down, keep the chest lifted, down, up. 4, 3, 2, 1. I go down and shift it out all the way on the right, up the hip, center. Down, out, up, center. Down, out. It's already a workout by itself, right? Down and up. So bend the left, straighten the left. Don't lock your knees, guys. Very important. Do not lock your knees. My left is going lower than my right, but I'm keeping my chest up, so I'm not leaning with it. Make sure you're staying in the middle and then dropping this hip. So I drop, shift, the leg straightens a little bit and bring back into the center. Drop, shift, straighten, center. Okay, we're going to alternate it. So I dip right, dip left. And the more you're snaking, you're also really using your obliques. So when we get the band involved, it's going to be significantly harder, more of a workout. And like I said, I've been doing this in my classes with my students for many, many years. And it's about time I shared it with you because everyone's asking me. So I'm like, hey, fine, I'll do it. Here's some videos for you. So yeah, you need your resistance band, 1.5 meters. And you'll feel your whole body working. So I use this as belly dance strength training exercises in my classes, in my school. If you're in my school, you're probably used to some of this stuff. I use all sorts of crazy things. But anyway, let's move on. So now, if you have your band handy, get it. Gonna stand on it. Ball of your feet, or the ball of your foot to the middle of your foot. And then take the legs nice and wide. Okay, the higher up the band you hold, the less resistance there is. The lower down the band you hold, the more resistance you're gonna have. So I'll let you choose how much resistance you want. Okay, and you're gonna bend the knees. Remember what I told you in the beginning, hinge. So it's almost a squat position, you're gonna hold it, you're gonna freeze the isolation, pull the tummy in, lift the chest, keep the shoulders down, your neck is long and free, so there's no tension in your neck at all, okay? You pin the elbows back, so pull your arms back, and the elbows are in line with your ribs. First things first, let's do our tricep extensions. So we straighten the arms, and then bend the elbow. We don't move the arm. We only straighten, we put the forearm behind us, and then bring it back in. Yeah, so I go here, and here. So my students say, oh, it's like skiing, but very slowly. I have never been skiing, so I wouldn't know. However, if you want to pretend you're skiing, go for it. I prefer the heat. So I'm going to extend and bring it back in, okay? So I'm pressing. So you should really feel this in your entire body. Want to make sure you're breathing. You must breathe, of course. Check your posture, make sure you're getting any backache. If you're getting backache, you're probably slouching or doing something incorrect. So So check your posture. Your muscles of your arms should be working, your muscles of your body should feel very active, but not like pain active. Okay, so extend the arms back. 2 and 1. Okay, then you're going to bend the knees, take the arms out to the side, we're going to frame the hips. Okay, we're going to start the hip motion. So, to the right, to the left. Now try not to move your whole body with you. Try to stay in the middle, frame the hips, and the movement is happening in between my hands. I'm not moving my arms around. The higher up your arms are, the more workout it's going to be. The more you bend your knees and scoop into your obliques or your waist, the more workout it's going to be too. So I'll let you choose. And if you really want to work out, you should do a few of the videos in a row, right? Because I've got another one. And by now, maybe there's a few more out that I've released as well, so check them out. Make sure your belly button is staying flat to the front and you're not twisting. That's another thing for another day. You have to make sure you know what you're doing first, so you're exercising safely and effectively. This should be making you very, very hot. Okay? Snake those hips. If you want to come to my classes and train with me in person, I'm in London, UK. Otherwise, you can take my classes online with me. My classes online are an hour long, and they're my actual classes that I do here in the studio, so they're filmed, so you get to progress with us as if you're really in the class from week to week and progress. Each week we build on the previous week, so there's lots and lots of learning and fun to be had. And we do crazy stuff like this in the classes as well. So 8, 7, 6, 5, really snake it for 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. You're going to roll your shoulders. We're going to do shoulder raises. Okay, so I'm going to plie and stretch the arms up and down. Keep your wrists in line with your forearm. Don't let them do this. And straighten the wrist in line with your forearm. Up and down. Breathe. Make sure you're breathing. Make sure you're not sticking your bottom out. Make sure you're not slouching. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, breathe, smile. 3, 2, hold it, 10, 9, 8, smile, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the band, roll down, and we roll up. So thank you so much for watching. Come and train with me, BellyDance.com, or take my online classes. Check out my other videos on YouTube and Instagram and Insta TV as well. Okay, thank you, bye.